Hello everyone, I am Patrika Patel from Carrot IT Solutions Private Limited. Today we will discuss about resupply from warehouse in Odoo. When you have a multiple warehouse, then there is need to set supply path for stock movement from one warehouse to another. So in this case, we use resupply from warehouse in Odoo. Let's start. First we need to configure the inventory. Click on inventory, configuration and setting. There are multiple warehouse settings that we need to enable. See, this is the multi-warehouse option. We need to enable this option. After that, we have more than one warehouse. So in configuration warehouse, I already have a 3 warehouse over here. Let's click on artwork product warehouse. We need to resupply this product from Carrot IT Solutions Private Limited. So set this resupply option from warehouse. After that, click on the product. Let's see this product. In this product we need to configure in inventory. There are routes will be available, artwork product warehouse, and second one is replenish on order. We need to set this both options enable. After that we can create the sales order. Let's create one sales order for the same product. Let's say I need a 2 quantity. Save. So this is the product details, and in other info we need to set the delivery warehouse over here. So our delivery warehouse is artwork product warehouse, and save it. After the confirm sales order, we can see that there are 3 delivery generated. See, this is from and to. First is warehouse to physical locations, then this one and third one. Click on this, add it, write down the done quantity and validate it. After this we can see that second one is already in ready status. So validate this option, and third one is again validate this option. So this all these three deliveries are validated. So this is how we can use this resupply from warehouse option in Odoo. If you are interested in more about this or looking for any Odoo ERP implementation or customization with high quality and reasonable cost in your business, drop your request to sales@carrotit.com or Skype Carrot Software. Thank you.